I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating straight to security, then two-step verification. This is where backup codes live. Once logged in, confirm your primary 2FA works, use your phone or authenticator to test access. Make sure you're on a private, secure network and not using public Wi-Fi. With the 2FA panel open, locate backup codes and click to proceed. This first actionable step creates the environment and permission Google needs to generate the codes. Once you click Generate, Google displays 10 single-use backup codes. These replace your normal 2FA when locked out. Download the codes file immediately and also copy them into a password manager for encrypted storage. Alternatively, print a paper copy and store it in a safe place. Remember, each code works only once, so mark or strike used codes. If you need portability, photograph the printed copy and store the image in an encrypted folder. Make sure only you can access it. To sign in without your phone, choose Use Backup Code at the prompt and type one of the unused codes exactly. After you've used several, go back and regenerate a fresh set so you always have valid spares. This invalidates old ones. If a code fails, check for extra spaces or mistyped characters and try another code. Key troubleshooting tip: if all codes are gone or rejected, immediately start Google Account Recovery and verify your identity using backup email or trusted contacts to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.